Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at LifeTeam. Now this is a brand new cloud-based web application and it's gonna allow you guys to create and sell WordPress themes. Alright, and what's really cool about this application guys is that you can white label your themes that you've created within this application. That means you can put your own name and own branding and sell those themes to any kind of marketplaces, to local businesses, or to anywhere, right? And this comes with drag and drop editor, right? Now, before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how you can easily create theme without any kind of coding knowledge, right? There's also some, you know, library of themes right here that you can also use, right? Let me show you guys first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you get access as well to additional value. All right. Bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna show you this secret black market to sell your team for like a minimum of $50 to $100 in just a single team. All right. So this right here is the marketplace that you can list your teams. Now a lot of people, guys, listing their teams right here. This one has like 17,000 sales, 200 sales, 4,000 sales, 200 sales, 256 sales, and you can also list your teams right in this marketplace right here. That way you can, make money with your live team purchase, right? That is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm going to show you how I use Facebook to get high paying clients for web design services, all right? Now, if you guys don't want to list your team right here, now I'm going to show you guys an option to, to get high paying clients using only Facebook for your web design services, all right? Now, aside from affiliate marketing, I also do like web design creation services. And this is the exact method, guys, that I use to get high paying clients, right? I'm going to show you that in this bonus number two right here. Bonus number three, guys, I'm going to give you access to Chatterpal application. Now, this is going to allow you guys to put like a live chat, a 3D chat agent into any kind of website. So if you wanted to sell your web design creation services to local businesses, you can also provide them as an additional bonuses or value or as another service. That means you can scale your services and make a lot of money. Right, if you don't know what is Chatterpal, let me show you guys what is Chatterpal right here. Alright guys, so this right here is Chatterpal. Guys should be able to create like 3D chat agent into any kind of website. Just like I said, you can also sell this to local businesses and charge like a monthly payment for this. All right, that's a really powerful application. So you have this chatbot right here, and this 3D chat agent will interact to the website visitor. Let me play this for you.
Hey, my name is Laura. I am one of the many interactive 3D avatars in.
All right, and you can put your the logo of your clients inside of the avatar. It's really powerful application. All right, just like I said, guys, you get access to all features and all OTOs within this application. That means you get access to all features. Now the value of this is like almost $1,000, right? It's really powerful software, right? And yeah, so that is my bonus number three. Bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to an Orion managed WP software. It's gonna allow you guys to manage multiple websites in just in one dashboard, right? So if you have multiple websites, you have clients, and you wanted to manage all those websites in one dashboard, then this software can really help you guys out, right? That is my bonus number four. Bonus number five, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to WP support bot. This is a WordPress plugin that's gonna allow you guys to put support bot functionality into any kind of WordPress website. All right. So yeah, those are all of my bonuses, and of course, all vendor bonuses. You get access to all vendor bonuses inside of your account. Alright guys, so this right here is the dashboard of LiveTeam, and I have this team library right here. We'll be able to also use this done for your teams right here. You'll be able to click on this and view this one right here. Now this is one of the example of the team that is included within LiveTeam as well, and it's a really beautiful team, guys, right? And you can also sell this kind of teams to local businesses or to the marketplace, which I'm gonna give you as a bonus. All right, so yeah, now to create a team, either you can choose any of this done for you teams right here. you would click on use right here. It's gonna allow you to use this theme, right? You put in your name right here, team URL, team author, team description right here. And if you guys wanted to create your own team from scratch, you'd basically click on manage team right here and be able to create a new team right here. I've just created this team right here. I'm just gonna click on this and edit this theme. All right, and this is gonna allow me to create pages, to create posts, to create menus right here, and to add in like a global theme, like a header right here. All right, guys. And if you guys wanted to add a page, let's say you wanted to add like a home page right here, kind of like a continue right here. And it's gonna allow you guys to edit this page using a drag and drop, page builder, which is Elementor right here. You basically drag in like an element right here, drag in like an image if you wanted to do that, right? It's a really powerful application, right? Now they uses Elementor to if you wanted to create theme from scratch, it's really powerful. Elementor is one of the best, drag and drop website builder or editor that you can find on the marketplace, right? And then if you wanted to update or save, just click on update right here. And you can customize, your team if you wanted to create your team from scratch. And if you wanted to download that theme, you just basically download this theme and install this into your server, right? And that's how you would create your team right here. But just like I said, guys, if you don't want to create your team from scratch, you can just use this done for you teams right here, right? Just click on use and then like, name same URL, same name, other, and then description right here. So let's say I like mass theme, and then mass theme right here is I don't like my name right here, and then like a jur, and like a jur right here. Click on create. It's gonna allow me guys to edit this theme to my liking, right? Alright guys, and it's gonna allow me guys to click on edit right here, and it's gonna allow me to edit the pages, the posts, the menus, and then the global themes right here, right? And if I wanted to edit the page, so let's say I wanted to edit this homepage, I'm just gonna click on edit right here. I'm just gonna click on preview if you wanted to preview this, or also you can delete this one right here. If you wanted to add a new page, just click on add new right here. You wanted to add a new page right here, right? And same thing with the post right here. If you wanted to add in like a new post, you can also do that. Post is like, a blog post, right? Post and page are different. Pages are like, home page, about page, contact page, and posts are like your blog post, right? And then menus right here, you'll be able to also like, add in like the menu. What are the pages that you wanted to include in that menu? So let's say you wanted to also include this folder right here. Just click on save right here. It's gonna allow you to edit your folder or your menu, alright? Alright guys, and if you're happy with all those changes, basically download this theme, and you can sell this to anywhere you want, all right? And that's are the things, guys, that you can expect inside of LiveTeam. There's also live support right here and tutorials right here, and this is where you edit your account right here, right? So yeah, just like I said, guys, if you guys choose to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, when you guys click that link, this will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. Now the headline says create and sell 156,000 stunning professional ultra fast loading business WordPress themes. You can put your own name and your own branding. Now there are some couple of upgrades within this application, guys. Now, if you wanted to consider upgrading your account, there's also some upgrades that you can find within this application, right? Okay, so upgrade number one is an unlimited. All right, if you wanted to create unlimited, teams, then you can, also, consider upgrading your account. But you don't really need to upgrade your account because, yeah, with the front end, guys, you can create like 20 teams per day, right? And I cannot even manage to create one team in just a single day. But if you guys wanted to, create, unlimited teams, then you can also do that, or you can also hire other people to create these teams for you. All right, and then OTO number four, live auto migrate. OTO number three, freemium. OTO number four, done for your teams. You can also access to 300 done for your teams, right? And then OTO number five, agency. All right. OTO number six, reseller license. So if you wanted to resell LiveTeam as your own product, then you can also do that. And the value of this is $197, but the downsell is $97, right? So this is really powerful. upsell as well. All right. So yeah, those are the upsells, guys. If you wanted to upsell, consider upgrading your account, but that's not really necessary. But yeah, so if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. Just read the information of the sales page, guys. That way you can have better understanding and better idea if this is something that can really help you guys out. Right? If you have any questions, guys, just like I said, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And I'll see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.